Alright, hello everybody, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment. This video is about this Oleo-Mac 240 two-stroke chainsaw. I got it from eBay. I think it was a lot of two of them. I don't know, but we're going to take a look at it. So yep, top cover comes off with a flathead. Which is a good sign. Throttle works. I don't think the choke works. There's a kill switch. One of them is for fuel on it somewhere. I saw. There's your plug and wire. We gotta check it because it has a new carburetor. You probably can't tell that that's new, but it is new. There's fuel in it, so there's only two things. It seems like it has compression, but I could run a test. It's alright. Pretty cool. I don't know anything about this company at all, or I'd tell you about it. I didn't even know they existed until I bought this. It seems to be wet, but I don't know. We're gonna do a spark test. Saw that or not. Ooh. Okay, maybe it is. Maybe it does just need some starting fluid. And this is, you gotta pull the handle. It helps to get to the plug. Actually, not really. But this is how you pull the handle. God, that's so loose. There's supposed to be two, but there's one missing. I'm gonna have to find a screw that'll be compatible. I'm gonna clean this thing up some, paint it orange again. Crank it over a couple times, and if it sounds stupid, it isn't. Just smell for fuel. If you can't smell fuel, just at the carburetor, you're not getting any.